Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to submit SimpleSeq tubes online when you're getting prepared to submit your physical tubes to the lab. So this will be covering both standard SimpleSeq kits and also SimpleSeq Premixed kits. This process is exactly the same for both products. You can order these kits from the SimpleSeq page on our website. Next, once you order the kit, the reactions and barcodes will automatically be added to your sequencing dashboard, which makes it very convenient. Now these are the barcodes you'll be pulling out to enter in the order page. You can also find these on the side of the tubes as well, so either option works. To go to the tube ordering page, you can click the quick order button on the website from any web page, and then go to Sanger sequencing, and then in tube format. That will bring you to the order page itself. You can just select the number of samples and then select this first option under submission type for standard and SimpleSeq barcodes. Next, this is the important piece of it, is where you'll enter the barcodes off the side of your tubes. So going back to the dashboard page, I'm just going to take a few barcodes off of here as an example. You can copy and paste them into the block, or again, just read them off the side of your tube. You can click this down arrow and the system will automatically pre-fill in the next barcodes in sequence, which makes it a little bit easy. And then depending on the type of kit, so if you have a SimpleSeq Premixed kit, what you're going to want to select is check this box for Premixed. Right? That's really important. And if you have a standard kit, then of course you just select the primers to go with each tube reaction. So I'm just going to go with Premixed because that is the type of kit that we are using. And again, if you're ever confused about which kit you have, they're color coded. So this will say Premixed kit. As you can see, it makes it very clear and easy. It has this kind of light blue color to it in the dashboard. Anything that has a darker blue color is a standard kit. It also says standard kit at the top. And then you'll add that to the cart. Now I'm going to skip ahead to make this easy. So once you get to the cart, you just select the item and click checkout. And the last step is in the checkout page itself, you're going to want to select your submission option. So if you're nearby a Dropbox, you can select that option and then select the Dropbox closest to you. In this case, I'm just going to select our headquarters because that's where I'm located and it's closest for me. You can also set that as a default. This is very important because for premixed kits and other kits, if this option is not selected and you do place the tubes inside of a box, the courier won't know to pick up unless you select the Dropbox during checkout. That gives them a notification that says, hey, there are samples here. Make sure you swing by and pick them up. If you don't have a Dropbox, there's plenty of other options as well. You can select to print a digital shipping label, which is something kind of exclusive to Eurofins, where you can print a digital shipping label for free. And at least for 90% of orders, you do have to reach a certain threshold. And if you're not reaching the threshold, it'll let you know at the top here how much more you need to add to the order. And then, of course, you can also ship using your normal shipping method, whatever that is in your shipping department. So that's it. I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.